Welcome to a calm beginning and a moment of integration. Today's affirmation invites harmony within. The sacred feminine and masculine unite within me. So much inner tension comes from believing we must choose one way of being, strong or soft, logical or intuitive, doing or allowing. This division can quietly create imbalance, even when intentions are good. This affirmation dissolves that split. The feminine carries intuition, receptivity, and deep listening. The masculine carries clarity, direction, and steady action. Neither is meant to dominate the other. When these energies unite, life feels more coherent. Action becomes thoughtful, rest becomes purposeful. You stop swinging between extremes and begin moving from alignment. This union is not something you force, it is something you allow. When you stop suppressing one part of yourself in favor of another, wholeness naturally emerges. You respond instead of react. You move with confidence without losing sensitivity. As your day unfolds, let this affirmation meet you when you feel off balance. When you are pushing too hard, soften. When you are hesitating, ground yourself. Trust that both qualities belong and work best together. Here's your daily habit for today. Pause once today and ask yourself whether softness or steadiness is needed most. Carry these companion affirmations with you. I honor balance within myself. And strength and gentleness coexist in me. Thank you for beginning your day with AM inspiration and choosing integration over inner conflict. May today unfold with balance, clarity, and quiet strength. Win the morning. Win the day.